In this video, I'm going to be showing you Notion templates for productivity. So let's just quickly do that. Here, as you can see, we got our interface, the home page for productivity. What you can do is, if you want some templates, head over to this templates section. By the way, you can head over to the link in the description to access Notion and extended benefits and rewards. Make sure to do that. And you can see now here we got all in all features. Now for productivity, you can simply search in here for productivity, and you can see you will be having your productivity, personal productivity filters, and you can see we have all of these templates showing up. So you can go through all of these and choose which one is going to be better. You have your weekly planner, you have task 1, task 2. You can simply schedule all of these. Some of these are going to be paid, some of them are going to be free. You can go with the free one if you are a new on the platform and get started with using. If you want to learn more about Notion, you can simply let us know in the comments below. So make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended benefits and rewards about these platforms. Thank you so much for watching.